everyone, welcome to the Burnt Brass Homestead channel. What happens if you get a hole in the plastic that covers your low tunnel or high tunnel? You patch it, of course. Somehow our greenhouse has a big hole close to the top of it. I'm not sure how it got there or how long it's been, but I noticed it last week after I planted the vegetables for the spring garden. Now, we do not go into the greenhouse every single day. Vegetables are harvested on some mornings and we cook and clean them for breakfast and or dinner. The purpose of the greenhouse is to trap heat and moisture. If you watch my Starting Seeds 2023 Day 1 video, then you will know that this is the first time I'm using the greenhouse to start seedlings so early in the season. Normally I start them in the house. But with the hole being at the top of the greenhouse, so much heat was escaping fast and before nightfall. And the temperatures in my area, which is zone 6B, still dip below freezing overnight. So I needed to fix the issue as well as to check to see if there was any impact on seeds germinating. This is the greenhouse tape I am using to repair the holes. It cost about $10 to $15 when I first purchased it, just before the pandemic hit. This tape is stiff. When I ordered it, I thought it would be a little bit more flexible, but it's not. There is a difference between greenhouse tape and packaging or other tape in that the greenhouse tape is UV resistant. It can also withstand rain and humidity. This is very important. There's a lot of moisture in the greenhouse because the sides are down during the cold season. This is why we do not have to water the plants very often. I would venture to say they're probably lightly watered every, 2 weeks? In any event, I want to dry the area of the plastic where I would stick the tape. This patch procedure is good for low tunnel or high tunnel greenhouses. It will prolong the life of your greenhouse plastic, which typically lasts 4 to 5 years before needing to be replaced. Even with the hole and the cold nights, the seeds appear to be germinating just fine. Some of the pots where you cannot see the seeds protruding through the dirt, they have germinated as well. I got a little anxious and moved the dirt to the side to check, which brings me to my next point. Be patient when planting. Seed germination can take anywhere between 4 and 14 days depending on the seed variety, temperature, and moisture levels. But be ready to plant additional seeds if some of your seeds do not germinate. Just think of the reward you will see 2 to 3 months from now. Happy gardening!